Second video in the SMM Deal Finder tutorial series. And in this one, we're going to be covering the Deal Finder. So in the last video, we looked at the niche finder, which is one really cool way of finding leads that we have. But the other way we have here is the AI Deal Finder. Now, this one is going to be finding all of the businesses that are already looking for help with their social media marketing, with their content, with their paid ads, any of these different things. But these are businesses that are put out there online, say, hey, we're already looking for help. Can someone please help us? And so what we can do here is we can go through all these different businesses and we can figure out which ones we want to reach out to based on a few different factors about the business. So to show you how this tool works, when you hop into the Deal Finder, you're going to get this, which allows us to filter down by a few parameters to find the companies we really want to work with. So first of all, we can go by state, right? Let's say we're just looking at Florida, right? We can go by minimum monthly cash flow. So this is the minimum amount of money that they're willing to spend on you to be doing all the work for them. Now, this isn't to do with ad spend or anything like that. This is purely the retainer, right? How much they're going to pay you. So we can put this at, let's say, $2,500 every single month, right? We can also choose the maximum company size. So how many employees does the business have, right? We can go for, slightly smaller, let's say around like 50 employees, right? So just going for those like smaller companies. And we're also looking at the category, like what actual help do they need? Right? Is it social media? Is it paid ads, email marketing, content creation, video editing, search engine optimization, or SEO? For this, we can just go with like social media, right? Just as an example. And we can sort all of these leads by whichever way we want to. My recommendation is go for the lead score and go by descending. Okay. What this does, this little lead score right here, this is a scale from 1 to 10, with 1 being a really bad lead, right? And 10 being an amazing lead. And this is using AI that it's based on, but basically we look at every single thing about that company, the amount of money they're looking to spend, where they're based, how much money they make, the number of employees, all these different things we take into account. And so we want to go for the highest numbers possible. And that's why we put descending on there. So we're going to click find deals and we're going to find all of those businesses that are actively looking for help with this stuff. And so we've got businesses that are willing to spend $7,500 every single month for help with their marketing and social media, right? Another $6,000 just for someone to help with their content. Or, just someone to help with, let's even just say TikTok video creator, right? For $4,800 every single month they're willing to spend. So we know these businesses are already wanting help. So all we have to do is reach out to them. And we can use some of the tools here, like the analyze button, to actually figure out more about what they really need help with, right? We get a lot of data, like all the company needs. What are they actually looking for help with, right? They want strong content creation and editing skills, right? The ability to track and analyze customer behaviors and trends, right? Implementing effective marketing campaigns, collaborating with the different people in the company, and basically managing all their campaigns. This is, the pretty kind of standard stuff that a business is looking for when it comes to, needing help with their social media, and they're willing to spend $7,500 every single month. And again, we can click on their Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn. We can go to their page here and we can see where they are on a map too. We can click research and we can go to, their website here, and we can pull this up too. We can see their website, wherever it be down here somewhere. And ultimately, we can see all the data about the company that we need to be able to make a good decision on whether we want to reach out to them or not. Right. And again, just like before, if we want to save this lead for later, we can click add to my leads and bang, it's going to go into your CRM, which we're going to touch on in the next video. So this is kind of what we can do. We can go through, we can sort and narrow down all the leads that we want to reach out to. Again, let's just pick another one, for example, right? A law company, right? They're looking to spend $4,800 every single month. Again, we can click on analyze, see what they want help with. We've got a phone number, we've got their Facebook, their LinkedIn, where they are on the map. And we can see exactly what they're looking for again, right? Engaging video content, right? Content calendars, basically just posting, at a regular schedule for them. And again, we can go to, where exactly they are, right? We can go to their website. You can see all the data about the company. So again, you can decide if you really want to reach out to this business or not, knowing that they are already looking for help. That is the key part. So that's a kind of quick video just on how to really use the deal finder here. But the best thing is a combination of both the niche finder and the deal finder. the niche finder, find those really specific leads in that one place or that one niche that you really want. And then having some leads from the deal finder here too that you already know are looking for help. So they're going to be, a whole lot actually easier to land these clients. And there's so many leads on this platform. There is so much opportunity here. So all you got to do is find these leads, start saving them for later so you can start reaching out to them. And from there, we can start to land these clients. So that's it for the deal finder. In the next video, we're going to cover the CRM. So stay tuned for that one.